Another home with a wet basement. In the crawl space this time, the interior portion, just below this exterior wall is where the water's entering. Come to the outside and we see this. Gutter downspout, and the soil is so eroded back that the gutter is allowing the water to flow right underneath the slab. And we come this way and we can see the homeowner or someone has a bunch of caulk built up here. Wonder why that is. And then we can see with a level we put here earlier, the water flows right back to this little hole in the corner. Now, two other basement contractors told the homeowner it would be a good idea to spend $5,000, and that was after their discount, and dig up this whole corner and waterproof the foundation when it's just a simple pavement and gutter issue.